Hello beautiful people, welcome to Annie Betty's Kitchen. This is your food and nutrition chef, Esther. Today we are going to learn how to marinate and grill chicken. I love grilled chicken, so I can have it with my salad or veggies just as a meal. And this is a great way if you are looking to maintain or reduce your weight. So let's get on with it. What I've done with the chicken, I've washed it. I washed with a bit of lemon and vinegar in the water, and I pat it dry with a kitchen tissue. That's why you can see the kitchen tissue to absorb all the liquid from it, so it's dry and it soaks in the marinade. So now let's go on to prepare a marinade. I've got 4 cloves of garlic diced. I'll put the link for how to dice your garlic, and when you dice and you have too much, how to preserve it. You will see the link up somewhere, and just click on it and it will take you straight to it. And I've got about 20 grams of diced ginger. Also, I'll put the link for the diced ginger. And I've got 1 chili. If you don't like any spiciness in it, you can omit this, but if you want a kick, it's a great addition if you add it. So 1 diced chili and thyme. Thyme brings the flavor of chicken. So I've got about 3 sprigs of thyme. It really brings out the flavor and makes your marinade beautiful. And I've got 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. So this is your regular all-purpose seasoning, or if you prefer chicken seasoning. And there it goes. And 1 teaspoon of vinegar. This is the vinegar I used, wine vinegar. And 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. This gives it a smoky taste and it makes it look beautiful as well. And about a 1/4 teaspoon, about 1, let me add 2. So 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, dry herbs, and about 1 teaspoon of salt. You know, I always love the pink Himalayan salt because it's packed with so much minerals. Mix it all up together so it's all well mixed. And now we are going to marinate the chicken. Now I'm taking the tissue off, and it soaked up all the liquid that was on it. And here goes our marinade. So you make sure the marinade goes in every fiber of the chicken, coat it really well. So as you can see, I've marinated it, and I'm going to put this in the fridge so that the marinade will seep through. And this is one I made yesterday. Always try and marinate overnight. It makes it beautiful. Like it seeps through every, like I said, fiber of the chicken. So I'm going to grill this. I have preheated the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, and we are going to grill it for 20 minutes and we'll flip it over. So I'm setting the timer for 20 minutes. I love this, it's so handy. So I'm going to marinate the other half in the Ninja, and this makes it so quick. Like it will take about 20 minutes in the Ninja, and in the oven it's going to take about 40 minutes, so it cuts your time to half. So we put it on grill. I've turned it to grill, and the time is on 10 minutes, so I'm going to leave it for 10 minutes and we'll flip it over for the other 10 minutes. So you just click on start. So 20 minutes is up. We are going to turn it Ooh, look at that. Look at that gorgeous chicken. So I'm going to flip it. I'm going to baste this side, all of it, baste it so the marinade seeps through. So in it goes for another 20 minutes and our chicken will be done. In 10 minutes and I'm going to flip this over and baste the other side. Look at how yummy it looks. I'm going to baste all of it so the marinade really seeps through. This step, don't miss the step, people. Try this step, baste it, and you'll be glad you did. I'm going to grill it again, this side, for 10 minutes. So we just press on, and in 20 minutes, our chicken will be done. One Indonesia is done. Our grilled chicken is done. So this is the one I made in the oven, and this took 40 minutes. That's the one I made in Indonesia. It's browned a bit more than the one in the oven, but the one in the oven you can allow it to stay longer and brown. And that's the one in Indonesia. Now let's put them to test, people. So I'm going to try each. Let me take a bit of salad. You know, I have to try and give you feedback, ain't it? Bit of salad. So we are trying the one from the Ninja. It's so succulent, it's juicy, it's moist. This is what we call a juicy chicken. Juicy chicken. Okay, just put you to one from the oven. It's also very juicy. Very. It tastes the same, you know. One more. This marinade goes with your chicken breast. If it's a whole chicken, you just increase the quantity. And it's just beautiful. Just try it, people. And give me a thumbs up if you love what you've just seen. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Hit on the notification button so you know first that whenever a new video is uploaded. And thank you to all our returning viewers. Till I come your way again next week with an amazing recipe. Say ciao.